Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yes, speech has been started. Sit in. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm here with my beautiful sister. My first feature.
Yeah, your first feature.
Yeah. Anyways, my first feature in my videos, or my channel I should say. And so welcome to the new year, guys. Okay, hope you guys had a happy and a safe new year. I know 2020 was a very rough year for everybody, and I wanted to do a little something different today and just basically start off the new year with new things. And I know everyone is always saying how they want to have a good year, and they're always just expressing it and saying it, but I wanted to try something new today, and something I've actually never done before that my sister actually had a really good idea of. And we're going to do a modernized version of a vision board today. So stay tuned for the end of the video so you guys can see how it looks and how modernized it is, because it's not the traditional vision board, but it is still going to be something very nice, modernized, something you can have put up into your room, your living room, and you'll have a physical reminder for yourself when you're actually seeing it every day. And yeah, so stay tuned for the end of the video so you guys can see how it comes out. I did want to start off just setting the mood. You guys already know I'm very into meditation, so I did want to set the mood. I set my candle up. We have our station ready. We're going to do a little 5-minute meditation session. And we're going to go I gotta take myself seriously, bro. Okay, so we're going to go straight into the video.
You gotta stop looking for your happiness in the same place you lost it. You gotta stop looking for your worth in the same place that made you feel worthless. You gotta stop looking for your healing in the same place that hurt you. Love can't be found where it doesn't exist. So it's time for you to cut off that source of pain and decide, like truly decide, that this part of your past should not, cannot, and will not be a part of your future. But you have to make that decision, because it's your life, it's your happiness, it's your joy. Trust me, it sucks. The process sucks. You'll go through times where you're angry, denial, wishing you can change things. When you miss that situation, that person, let me tell you something. Just because you miss that situation doesn't mean you need that situation back in your life. Healing is not an overnight process, it's an overtime process. Healing doesn't take a day, but I promise you this, as you go through places you don't understand, just to bring you to the place where he needs you to be. So don't let this season take your life. You can win this fight. If it wasn't for my darkest moments, I would have never found the strength to shine my light. There's a purpose greater than your pain. There's no growth without rain. Sometimes it takes our hardest storms to birth our greatest change. Your life is not...
Why are you being stupid?
Because you're stupid. Hey guys, so it's a little bit later in the week and we're back. We're back. So we're gonna show you guys how our poster came out, or our vision board came out. I'm gonna start off with my sister. She's gonna explain a little bit about, she's gonna explain her vision board. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Jennifer, but I usually go by Jen, so that's what everyone calls me. And at first I didn't like my vision board and how it came out, so I did a few edits. But I'm gonna have to stand a little bit away so you guys can see. So this is my 2021 vision board. It's gonna be a little hard if I can maybe hold it in the middle. So what I did was
wait, this reminds me of a freaking school project. Bro,
I'm gonna explain it anyway. All of these things are important to me, but the main thing that really stands out, one of the things is just learning how to swim. I never ate me on a daily. I want to start getting fit again because being fit and exercising is really important in my life, and I kind of let that go. Let's see what else. I love to travel, so these are different places I would love to go. Iceland and Mexico and the Maldives. I also put big words and things that I want to work on, continue to work on myself. So I have confidence, beautiful, grateful. Investing is a big one for me. I want to learn how to invest. I also would love to have a really nice condo in the future, which is why I have this picture here. Affirmations are also very important to me. And here I basically put this in the galaxy in the background because I want to be able to get in touch more with my spirituality. And what's really important to me here is this quote in the middle, which is why I put it. I now do what I love and I'm well paid for it. So this basically represents my multiple streams of income and what I'm doing. And a car is definitely in my near future. So yeah, this is multiple things that I'm very excited about, and this is how my vision board came out.
so how do you feel?
I actually love it. I'm waiting to be able to get into my new place and find a nice place to put it on my wall.
Ooh, she said new place.
So to put it on my wall, but I think because it's at the end of the month, I think I'm just gonna put it up and look at it in the daily because I feel like I'm missing something and I know that it's this, but I'm really excited about this.
Yay, what is that face?
You know?
Alright. School project moment. Are you starting?
Yeah, I started already.
Okay, so this is
You see why I was struggling?
this is my vision board, but it basically has the same thing, like with words and quotes and just daily reminders that I like for myself. So for example, just being grateful, being yourself, I'm resilient. I have YouTube on the side here just to continue to be consistent and just grow within YouTube. That's one of my biggest goals for 2021. Also, I have down here, I am working on just saving enough money. One of my biggest upcoming goals is just to move out and have my own little place. So that's why this picture is here. And then I have my 50 meals of the day I need to do and be more consistent with because I don't eat all meals in the day. I have my mental health awareness little reminder just to keep on going and that everything will be okay. I have my meditation. What's this down here? My art, and then painting. So I have the brushes, I have the money in here. Get that money. And then yeah, so just have little things all over the place. Just made it aesthetically pleasing to myself. I see this, I'm going to be seeing this every day, so it's something that's very, very positive for me, and I'm super excited, and I can't wait to see what's to come in 2021.
So what's this really nice body in the middle that you didn't talk about?
So for me, it's basically just starting to work out. I know I've spoken about working out on my channel, but I'm not consistent at all. So I do want the slim, thick figure, and I don't have that now. So it's one of my goals, and yeah, that's why I put it there, basically.
Slim, thick figure.
Hope you guys had a great new year. And what?
And start.
What happened? What? Oh my god. I hope you